It's Amy with Roney's. I sat down for a cup of coffee, a small break time. I don't get many breaks, but I've already got some clothes washing and drying, fed the children breakfast, got the 5 oldest ones doing their school, the twins, they're in their room playing for a few minutes. I'll have to go in there with them. They like a lot of hands-on. They love their time. But I woke up this morning and I had a letter or a note from my husband. I know most people's like, oh, that's so sweet. But mine says, Amy, it's supposed to rain tonight. It would be a good thing to get the garden disc today if you could get Jesse to help put the disc on the big tractor. That's my brother. He's been coming over off and on helping us with pressure washing mobile homes and stuff, but he hadn't come over today, so I'm gonna try to go do it myself. And it does say I love you, Brian, so I guess it is kind of a love note, but that's my note from my husband, and it's on a envelope. So it's still sweet. So it does say I love you. So I'm gonna finish my cup of coffee. I've cut back a lot since I've been having a little bit of heart problems, stuff like that. I've been trying to cut back on my caffeine, but I had to have this cup of coffee. I'm gonna go over there, try to get the disc going, get all that disc up, and come back and do some more clothes, probably feed the children lunch, and just check their school, see whatever we need to do. And tonight's also church. Wednesday, so we have church tonight, so it'll be busy. It's always busy, but sometimes it's busier, especially when we have church at night, because we have to get everything done and then get baths and ready for church. And then by the time we get back from church, everybody's just so tired. The kids, it's never a dull moment around here, even when they're supposed to be doing school. But anyway, I'll back up in a little bit. So our potato plants, they look really good. Our English peas didn't do too good. They come up sporadically. But when we planted, it was really, really wet. And our garden was very lumpy. So they didn't do as well. We usually make our garden come up from that way to this way. But due to this being the driest end, that's where we put our potatoes here. So we'll have plenty of potatoes, plus I have some in my raised bed. So since it was crazy weather, we didn't get our garden. This is the first time in many years we hadn't planted our garden on Good Friday. Hopefully the cold weather is over with. So I'm going to disc this up. It's supposed to rain and possibly storm tonight. I'm going to go ahead and get it disced up, so hopefully by this weekend we can plant some corn and peas and okra and all that other good stuff that we plant. My little helper heard the tractor, so he had to come, and he's been following me up and down and all around. He loves this fresh dirt, don't you, Shiloh? Yep. Okay, so I've got to do some more. But it's looking a lot better. I hate that our garden's going to be a little smaller this year, but it'll be okay if it grows and does well as usual. We'll have plenty. This dirt is so dark looking. I mean, it is just so nice. This is a little sandy. You can see that white in there. But it grows very well. I love fresh disc dirt. It just looks so dark and pretty. Here's some chickens. Oh, and no, I did not disc up all my potato plants. They look so nice. But yeah, I got a little close, as you can tell. The tractor tires there. But the good thing is, I didn't disc all of them up. I just got close. Close don't count in this. Only in horseshoes and hand grenades. I can't wait to have some fresh potatoes. They're gonna be so yummy and delicious. It's so pretty out here today. I don't know, I hope you can hear me. I don't talk very loud. My husband and my daughter gets on to me about not talking very loud, but it's just so pretty. You can see all the wildflowers over there, and it's just the yellow and the green and everything. It's just a beautiful day. And I hate that we're supposedly having some bad weather tonight again, or this evening. I don't know, 2021 has some crazy weather. Anyway, I gotta get back over here, disc a little bit more before it starts raining, and I'll try to pick you up later. Tired from chasing me around on the tractor. It's like, she wore me out in the garden today. Ain't that right, Shiloh? Ain't that right? I was going to pull over here and kind of let you see what we got done before we head back. All my potato plants are still there. But, I think in a little bit, if it hadn't started raining later this afternoon, I will come back and run over it another time or two, and it'll do a lot better. But hopefully I can get that done before it starts raining, and that'll take care of that until this weekend, and we can plant. Okay, so I've got back from the garden, and I'm on my, I don't know, second, third load of clothes for this morning to get washed. And now I hear the babies in the background crying, so it's time to go put them down for a nap. Get Mama's chair. Come on. There they go. They know it's night time. Where's your blankies? Oh, she wants that blanket. Kiki pants. Okay, so now it's nap time for these two. Mama's going to sit here and rock them and enjoy them while I can, because they're getting so big. 18 months old and like 26 pounds each. It won't be long, they're not going to want Mama to hold them and love them like that. So, when I get them to sleep, I'll just be stuck here. I'll probably watch a little bit of TV or YouTube or something like that. Y'all can check out Raising Roney's on Instagram. I try to post every day. I'm still learning with this technology thing. You can find me on Facebook on Raising Roney's. Like I say, it's hard for me to keep up with everything I do and then to jump on online all the time because I'm busy I'm a doer. But anyway, I'm going to let you go so I can hold these and get them to sleep. This light on this camera is blinding them.